Here we have a 2009 Honda Accord. Going to show you how to reset the oil life meter. The vehicle can be in the on or running position to do this. You'll be monitoring the odometer display there and using the button off to the right hand corner of the gauge cluster. You'll press this button until the oil life percentage shows. You'll then press and hold for about 15 seconds until the oil life begins to flash. As soon as that begins to flash, you'll release, press and hold again for about another 15 seconds, and this will reset to 100% once it's been performed correctly. You can then press that button again to get back to your odometer readout, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and share. Have a good day.